Hello everybody out here on YouTube. It is I here with Beautiful Beauty. Going to be doing a product review. Going to be talking about my favorite I cannot even tell you how favorite of a subject hair care is to me. Anyhow, you guys know, if you're familiar with my channel, you know how near and dear it is to my heart. Literally, hair care. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started here. Been buying a lot of hair care this summer. Been buying a lot of products. Been trying a lot of new products. Not only have I tried new products in general, I've tried brands that I've never tried before, products that I've never seen before, and I've just stumbled across just various things. So I have bought a lot of hair care products this summer. And you know, what better time for me, honestly, than summer to test these products out, see if they work for my hair type, see if they hopefully work for you as well. You know what I mean? So I've been buying a lot of hair products lately. I've been buying hair products for about for at least a month now from Target.com. I just been doing a lot of online shopping. I mean, not that I normally don't. Seriously, I always buy online. I like to buy in stores as well, but I buy a lot of products online, you guys. Oh my goodness. So I've been buying a lot of hair conditioners, a lot of hair care, and a lot of hair products in general from Target.com. And anyhow, I love that because, you know, it's so convenient, and I work 40 jobs, and, you know, I'm a busy girl, and life is just spinning all over the place, fast pace. But anyhow, I love to buy online, but when I get the products and they got the, what do you call it? UPC, the UPC stickers, the UPC tags, the UPC numbers, literally stamped straight across the product. You know what I mean? Not only does it deface the product and make it ugly, you guys, but it makes it a little bit difficult for me to put these videos out here for you guys. And, you know, visually it's seriously. Okay, yeah, you know, I mean, but you know, I'm not going to complain about that much because it doesn't impact the product. It just makes it ugly. It makes it not so pretty to review. And they put it right over the name of the product. Okay, but anyhow, we're going to go ahead and start it anyways. This is Pantene. Now, I really pull out the big guns during summertime because my hair is so literally abused during the summer, so overworked. By the way, I love this stuff. I want to go ahead and get this out of the way. I love it. I like it. I will repurchase it. It's great stuff. Okay. Anyhow, I pull out the big guns for summertime. I pull out a lot of Pantene products during summer because Pantene conditioners have always been very moisturizing for me. Pantene conditioners have really always worked for me. Not all Pantene products, but most of the Pantene conditioners. Okay, so let's get started. This is the Pantene Pro-V. This is the 3-Minute Miracle. I know, guys, you can't read it, but I have to flip over the tube. There you go. So this is the Pantene Pro-V 3-Minute Miracle. And anytime I hear the word 3-Minute Miracle, yes, of course, I think of my favorite, my old standby, my old friend, my old buddy, my old bestie, the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. I always think of that. When I see things that say 3-Minute Miracles, I think of that. I was raised on Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. I grew up on Aussie 3-Minute Miracle, and always loved that hair conditioner. But anyhow, so this is the Pantene Pro-V 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner. It says it's our gold standard in repair and protect. Now, I know I love all these gold packaging these products have. I love hair care and gold packaging, and the skincare and gold, and, you know, the 14 karat gold and the 24 karat gold skincare and gold dust and all that stuff. So I get so excited. You know, it's like excite time for me literally when I see gold packaging. And then when I have the UPC sticker, I'm going to cry because it takes away from the beauty. Anyhow, I love gold in general. I just think gold is an awesome color. I love gold eyeshadow and gold bronzers and gold clothing and, you know, gold sandals and shoes and gold jewelry and whatever. Anyhow, I love silver too, but I love gold as well, even better. So this is the Repair and Protect Deep Conditioner Miracle Conditioning for damaged or weak hair. Now, my hair has been, I've done a lot of damage. I do a ton of swimming during summertime, chlorine damage, sun damage, heat damage, all that stuff. I have color treated hair, you guys. I have heat damaged hair, chlorine damaged hair. I have long hair. I have very thick hair. I have a lot of hair. I have naturally wavy hair. I do have frizzy hair. I have an uneven texture almost to my hair because I have uneven frizziness to my hair. It's frizzy in certain areas and fairly straight in other areas, but it doesn't give off a very good texture. My hair is dry, it's damaged. I do have a lot of split ends. I've always been prone to split ends. It's just one of those things. That's my hair type. That's how I roll. I've battled split ends since I was a child. Literally, since I was 6 years old, I remember split ends bothering me at 6 years old. I remember being 7 and 8 years old, my mom bringing me to the hair salon. And I was 8 years old, and I sat up in the hair salon, and I asked the hairstylist, the hairdresser, the lady there, and I just said, cut off my split ends. I want my split ends gone. I was 8 years old. And anyhow, she started talking to me and giving me wonderful information about split ends, and it was extremely informative. And that carried on through adulthood for me. And I am a licensed cosmetologist, so I do love hair. You guys know that. I love hair. I cut my own hair. I trim my own hair. But anyhow, to this day, I still battle split ends. That's just the texture of my hair. That's how it is. That's how I roll. So anyhow, this is super moisturizing. This is very emollient. It puts a lot of moisture back into my hair. And when I talk about my hair, you guys, I need moisture. My hair has to sap up moisture, drink up moisture, absorb up moisture. I have to have something that is very emollient, very humectant, and moisturizing in general. Anything that is moisturizing, I have got to have for my hair. And this is a beautiful product. I've been doing a ton of swimming. I've been so busy this summer. Even though I'm busy, I've still had a lot of fun in the sun so far. And, I've had a lot of chlorine damage done. And it seems like no matter how protective you are or how much protectant you put on your hair, you still get some level of damage from chlorine. Now, I wear swim caps, but I do not wear my swim cap every single time I swim. Literally, I can't do that because honestly, swimming to me is so much funner, and I don't think funner is even a word, but it is close to descriptive adjective as I can be. I think it is a lot more fun when you swim free and your hair is down and it's flowing in the water and you feel like the mermaid. You know what I mean? You got the mermaid action going on. You know what I mean? And it just feels so much nicer, their hair flowing in the water and the freedom of the sun and the wind and all that good stuff. So I don't wear my swim cap as often as I should. But, when I don't, I protect my hair with products like this. This is really a nice deep conditioner. I do love it. I feel it is fast acting. Honestly, I would say I don't feel it acts within 3 minutes. I've put it on 3 minutes and tried it and tested it out. Honestly, I go more for 15 minutes. I strive and push even for 20 or 25 minutes. If I can make it to 30 minutes, now lately I've been so short and pressed for time, I have not. But I have left this on my hair for 5 minutes. I've left it on for 3 minutes, like the instructions per se say to do. But 3 minutes, it doesn't do as much for my hair in 3 minutes as it does in 15 or as it does in 25 minutes. You know what I mean? So honestly, the longer I leave it on my hair and my hair type, and it penetrates into the hair and the cuticle and all that, it works better for me. But it really helps the tangles, the knots, the gnarls. It helps the moisture level of my hair, helps the manageability, and it does control and help the frizziness of my hair. All very important aspects, hair care to me. Anyhow, before the video gets carried on to 20-30 minutes, go ahead and cut this off here. It's a great product. I love it. Go ahead and give it a try. It is economically priced. It's a great cheap price. Bought mine at Target.com. I'm sure you can probably buy it anywhere else. Okay, guys, I love you very much. Be sure to follow me if you'd like to on Pinterest or Pininterest, however you'd like to, say that. Follow me on Pinterest, Pininterest. Be sure to give me a big, huge thumbs up. Be sure to give me a big, huge like. As always, like my videos, share, subscribe, comment down below. Talk to me. I love hearing what works for you because you are beautiful. Love you guys so very much. Bye now.